Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to hyperlink. So if you want to create hyperlinks, you can sort like at these words and right click, go to link tools. We open the insert hyperlinks. In there you can insert by using the current folder, browse page or ration file. We can use these tools to insert the link to the send files, browse page, or current folder. There are options you also can place in this document, create new documents, and email address. So as example, I will insert for the web page. You can go to exiting files or web page and then click browse page and you type address in here. Like I will type youtube.com. You can click OK. Now, if you move the cursor into the word, will be show for the hyperlinks to youtube.com. To active, you can press Control button, hold, and then click the links to move into the YouTube. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to hyperlink. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.